We're reviewing Tubicen. It's a wall light, and what we're going to do is show you what the light is about. And we're going to demonstrate the light on the wall. Lovely. It's a wall fixture that we're going to hang up and show you what it looks like on the wall. And you'll decide if this is the right lighting fixture for your needs. Let's open it up and show you what you get inside the box. From the provider's Tubicen is your wall fixture. You get a nice instruction guide with your hardware, screws, anchors, wire nuts, protected by foam all around as we open up, and wrapped in plastic and foam around the fixture. All black, the bracket, remove the bolts, the screws to hang. Inside's about 12-inch diameter, white, gold, and white around. Please remember to remove the plastic film off the glass lens. A close-up look at the COB lighting. The bracket needs to be hung up and down, removing the screws and placing to the side. Pulling the bracket and placing on the wall. A light fixture bracket is required in a junction box. Slide your leads through, adjust, and tighten down. The provided ground, wrap around, and hang. With load and neutral hooked up, wires secured, placing back the bolts top and bottom, and securing down. With the wall switch switched, lights turn on, we'll shut the main lights off, and the light gives a rounded throw. A wall unit for bathrooms, kitchens, living rooms, hallways, stairwells, and more. With the minimal light on, we have a dual cone atmosphere, a gold ring going around on the floor, and a nice warm Kelvin. Ran off of a wall switch, optional dimmer switch. Check online for further details about those options. Showing the light, the throw, the gold ring, and the throw on the floor. The Tubicen Dome Wall Light for your indoor lighting needs. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in your household needs. Thank you for viewing.